Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to adjust display brightness on this laptop. So you can do this by clicking the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen and moving the slider to the left to decrease the screen brightness and to the right to increase it. And if you want to do this more conveniently, you can use F4 button to decrease the display brightness and F5 to increase it. Now if these buttons don't do nothing for you, then you should take a look at your Fn key, which is located next to your Windows button, and if Fn key is lit up, then you should press and hold it, and then press it along with the escape button to unlock the secondary functions of your function keys, and after that you'll be able to use these two buttons just like I described them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.